What if all continents became one again? Imagine waking up tomorrow, and the world map looks completely different. No separate continents. No Atlantic or Pacific Ocean dividing nations. Instead, one massive landmass, Pangaea, has returned. At first, it sounds amazing. You could drive from North America to Asia, walk from Europe to Africa. No flights, no oceans blocking your path, but within days, reality starts to hit. Because Earth's balance depends heavily on how continents are spread out. And now, everything is concentrated in one place. Let's start with the biggest problem: climate. In today's world, oceans play a huge role in distributing heat and moisture across the planet. They act like a global cooling and heating system. But with most of the land would be far away from any ocean. That means the center of this supercontinent would receive almost no moisture, no rain, no clouds, just endless dry land. Within weeks, the interior would turn into a massive desert. Temperatures would swing to extremes. Scorching hot during the day, freezing cold at night. Now imagine billions of people living there. Farming would collapse, water would become incredibly scarce, and entire regions would become uninhabitable. But what about the edges of this supercontinent? That's where things get even more intense. Because all the oceans are now pushed to the outside. Coastal regions would face constant storms, stronger hurricanes, more powerful cyclones, endless rainfall. Flooding would become a normal part of life. Entire cities could be wiped out again and again. But here's something even more important: ocean currents. Right now, currents like the Gulf Stream help regulate Earth's temperature. They move warm water around the globe, keeping climates stable. With Pangaea, those currents would be completely disrupted. The entire climate system would become chaotic. Some places would overheat, others would cool dramatically. Seasonal patterns would break, and ecosystems wouldn't have time to adapt. Animals and plants that evolved in stable climates would struggle to survive. Mass extinctions could happen, again. And here's the twist most people don't expect. This isn't just a what-if. Earth has already experienced this before. About 300 million years ago, all continents were joined as Pangaea, and back then, the planet was far more extreme than it is today. Which is one of the reasons life evolved the way it did. Eventually, Pangaea broke apart, forming the continents we live on today. And that separation, it helped create the stable, diverse environment we depend on. So bringing Pangaea back today wouldn't unite the world, it would divide it into zones of survival. A burning, dry interior, violent, stormy coasts, and a planet struggling to maintain balance. So next time you look at a world map, remember, those continents aren't random. They're part of a delicate system keeping Earth livable. Now imagine that map again, but with everything merged into one giant landmass. Follow for more what-if scenarios.